Is your Roborock S5 MAX stuck spinning in circles, shouting error 1 like it's lost in a maze? There's nothing more annoying than a smart vacuum that's suddenly gone brain dead. So, what's the deal? That little spinning turret on top is the Lidar, basically your robot's eyes. When the internal motor stalls or the laser sensor fails, your robot vacuum is effectively blindfolded. If you ignore it, your robot won't just miss spots, it won't move at all. You're left with dirty floors and a robot that's lost its way. Stop stressing. RoboCare has the solution to get those eyes working again. We don't guess, we diagnose. Using proprietary diagnostic software and precision laser calibration tools, we pinpoint exactly what is failing inside that spinning Lidar turret. Whether the issue is a seized motor, a worn-out drive belt, or a faulty laser diode, our process is surgical. We meticulously disassemble the Lidar assembly, replace the failing components with genuine parts, and perform a full system recalibration to ensure your robot's eyes are sharper than the day you unboxed it. But you don't have to take our word for it. Let's get to the results. Look at that. This Roborock S5 MAX has its 20/20 vision back. It's mapping accurately, dodging obstacles, and cleaning every corner without a single glitch. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
If your Roborock is giving you that dreaded error 1, don't throw it out, and definitely don't try to toothpick it to death like I did. Give it the expert care it deserves. The team at RoboCare are absolute lifesavers. They're professional and they genuinely know these robots inside and out.
Don't replace it, repair it. Contact RoboCare today. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.